Before you start using AltaSigna Maple, you will have to create folders for placing the files sent to and received from the NACH system. The documents uploaded to the NACH system will have to be digitally signed first in order to ensure compliance. You can sign the files that are to be uploaded to the NACH system by placing the files in a designated folder and configuring the folder in AltaSigna Maple. Similarly, documents received from the NACH system will have to be verified for signature before being processed. You can verify the files by placing them in a designated folder and configuring the folder in AltaSigna Maple. For your convenience, Odyssey provides a npci.zip file that already contains the necessary folders for signing and verification. Place the npci.zip file in your D drive. Unzip the file. You should now be able to see the npci folder, which contains two separate folders, Sign and Verify. The Sign folder contains the following folders: Archive, Signed and Source. The Verify folder contains the following folders: Archive, CRL, Failure, Source and Verified. The folders inside Sign and Verify will be used by AltaSigna Maple for storing and retrieving files. Open the AltaSigna Maple interface and click on the Configure tab. You will have to configure the settings pertaining to digital signature and signature verification. For digital signature, browse and provide the source folder Source. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Sign and Source. This is the folder from where the source documents will be retrieved for signing. The source document can be any text document that has to be uploaded to the automated clearinghouse system. Browse and provide the destination folder Signed. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Sign and Signed. Once the files are signed successfully, the signed files will be stored in this folder. Browse and provide the Archive folder Archive. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Sign and Archive. The source files are moved to this location after signing. Signature format is the type of signature performed on the document. AltaSigna Maple allows both RAW RSA and PKCS7 formats. Refer to NPCI guidelines for selecting the correct signature format and enable the appropriate radio button. For signature verification, browse and provide the verification source folder Source. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Verify and Source. It is the location of the source folder from where the signed documents are retrieved for verification. Before you begin the verification process, make sure that the signed documents received from the automated clearinghouse system are placed in this folder. Browse and provide the destination folder Verified. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Verify and Verified. It is the location of the destination folder where the output of the files after verification is stored. Browse and provide the Archive folder Archive. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Verify and Archive. The source files are moved to this folder after verification. Browse and provide the Failure folder Failure. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Verify and Failure. If the signature verification fails for some reason, the file gets stored in this folder. CRL is an optional field. If you do not want to configure the certificate revocation list path, then go ahead and click OK. Otherwise, browse and provide the CRL folder named CRL. You will find this folder in the path D, npci, Verify and CRL. Make sure that the CRLs downloaded from the certification authority are placed in this folder before you begin the verification process. Certification revocation lists are published by certification authorities at periodic intervals, listing the serial numbers of the certificates that have been revoked. They can be downloaded from the certification authority's website. If you wish to change the fields you have entered, click on Reset button. Otherwise, click OK to configure the settings.